What up, YouTube, man? We back at it. We out here in the backyard right now. I had to clean up some stuff to get it cleaned up because this wind is crazy, as y'all can hear right now. I'm not gonna lie, this wind is no joke and it's picking up very heavy. But like I said, we got a lot to do. We have to clean up because all my stuff was flying all over the place. So we got everything nice and cleaned up. We're gonna get in the garage today and get that 2015 finally and complete. But I got a lot to explain to y'all. So for the people that's commenting asking about the keychains, I know, and I apologize for the delay on all the merch that have not been received yet. But like I said, I was waiting on the packages to arrive. I finally got those, and then it'd be so much I don't be not understanding. It'd be so much I don't be knowing, and I don't want to put out there because I don't want to seem like I'm bitching or crying. But like, I had a whole load of keychains go missing in the mail, and I was fighting with the people and all that, and still never got it in the end. So I had to spend a whole nother amount to get another load on the way because I already knew how I was going to be with the comments and whatnot. So we got everything on the way and going. It's just some things I don't be wanting to put out there, but I have to when you guys get to getting on me in the comments like that. But everything is on the way. I'm gonna have everything sent out this week, man. So like I said, I apologize for the delay, but I appreciate everybody getting in to win it, man. I'm telling you, we are almost sold out for the Silver Bullet giveaway. But I have been thinking, since we have been like slacking on those last little spots, I may be at the 2015 Roadglide into the giveaway for second place. So let me know how y'all feel about that in the comments below. I honestly want to do it. Let me know what y'all think. At first, I was going to build that bike to hurry up for San Diego this weekend, but I'd rather take my time, build it the way I want, and have it nice and decent for one of y'all to really enjoy it for one of the giveaways for second place, because we are almost there, man. I'm telling you, it's going to be that much better to have second place for one of y'all to win another bike in the giveaway and still have first place with the 2015 lifted truck paired together with the 2019 Roadglide. So that's how we feeling, how we coming today, man. We about to get everything going and on the road. So like I said, I appreciate everybody for tuning in and tapping in with your boy, man. Everybody that copped the keychain in the hat, you are into this giveaway. If you copped any keychain or a red Kicks by Dre cap, you are into the Silver Bullet giveaway. Understand that. I know you haven't received your keychains or any of that. Some people have. I literally probably sent out like 70% of the merch, but I got more people getting in, so we almost there, y'all. Like I said, I'm gonna send out the rest of everything this week. I appreciate everybody for the patience. We sliding, not hiding. Y'all see what's going on, man. We about to get in today and make it happen, man. See, that's how I know it's windy. The door blew open as soon as I walked up in here. This wind ain't no joke right now, y'all. But we about to get to it, man. It is freezing cold. I think I might move the drop out, but we about to get this thing on the way. I was getting that back axle up in there with the sensor, but I gotta still get the spacer in there, but the powder coat's so damn thick. Then, like I said up here, we gotta go ahead and get this other wire. I got it pulled through for here, but it's still not reaching all the way to there. And then this one is broke, but I got another one in one of these boxes in here I gotta pull out. So I'm not tripping on that, but we about to get it going, man. I'm trying to get this thing really running and going today, if possible. This bike is closer than close. We got the Silver Bullet bike right there with the truck parked outside, looking good, ready for one of y'all to come get it. So I'm telling you, if you got in to win it, man, I'm telling you, it's about to be that time. I just want to spice it up for y'all. That's why I'm thinking about adding this other 2015 Roadglide, because I want to get everything back hyped up the way it should be, so we could be on our way, man. We got the big truck. I want to add this joint. I honestly could just take the triple tree off, get the legs, put the legs on that joint, get the fresh paint, wire the bars, get the bags, and go from there. That way this thing will be complete within like the next week or so. I could take it apart and powder coat it, but it will take more time, and I already got low-key enough going on with this and these two bikes. So I was thinking I just maybe get this thing running and riding complete and nice and wet. And I want to powder coat all the chrome, but I maybe just leave everything chrome and do a chrome bike like the rims I got on this bike. I should get another set for this one, like a chrome set, just something different, man. So that's what we on. We trying to just get it back spiced up for y'all, man, because it's been a long time coming, but we almost there, man. Oh, it's cold. They did knock the whole trash can down, y'all. They got, look at the truck looking good. They did knock my whole trash can down. God damn. Look at this. Well, would you look at this? Sheesh. At least I know it's empty now. God damn. This wind is strong. Yo, I ain't gonna lie. Like, living out here is a whole different level. But at the end of the day, that's what your boy wanted. So I love it. It's just a different level than I'm used to. But you gotta keep going up and making the best of it. Because at the end of the day, you gotta keep growing and elevating it, man. This was a part of the elevation. And now we're trying to get to that second half. We almost there, but we gotta keep grinding and getting it in. But yeah, man, that was crazy. But yeah, we got the big truck out here looking good. I had washed it up got back a little dirty from these sprinklers, but we're gonna get it nice and clean for y'all again, man. We got the truck and the bike we're giving away for first place. I'm trying to get this bike in there for second place. So if you're looking at it, if you entered, even if you didn't enter, let me know what you think, if we should add this to the giveaway and have it a second place, because we got it here. I wish I would have hit the Road King, but I ended up selling it, but it's all good. That's why we ended up getting 2 bikes. We're gonna get another one, so stay tuned for that. We're about to get to it. I'm here freezing with the shorts, man. I'm gonna cut this heater on, and then we gotta get back to breaking down our motor. We got there, we almost there, a little bit more, but y'all see what's going on, man. We working. So yeah, this is another one of my favorite features. If you enter to win into the Silver Bullet, you're gonna have this truck. I'm giving you the keychain too, but look, we're gonna do the remote start. Hit the 1, 2. Oh yeah, yeah. There we go. Now, some people may not care for it, but I'm gonna tell you this. When you're a person like me that's always so busy, got so much going on, especially in the morning, you can do it all the way in the house from the room from a certain distance. Even when I was at my apartment, I used to do it from upstairs with my car downstairs. It'll warm the car up, so by the time you get in it, you can pull off. You never want to just get in the car and pull off while the car is 100% cold and nothing is warmed up, because you'll mess your motor up. But anyway, we're about to go ahead and move all this stuff, man. So let's get to it, y'all. Man, we done finally got our space back nice and clean. That's why I'll be having to blow it down. It's nothing better than being able to have the space nice and clear. That's why I'm glad this car is running. That's why I need that joint running, so we can have everything moving and going. But we gonna have it going. That's the Copart Camaro. If y'all don't know, we got the head gasket that was blown from the auction, so we fixing that right now. Once we do that, we're gonna put some exhaust on it and go ahead and have that thing running and driving, headed to the paint shop. So stay tuned for that. This thing will be headed to the paint, but I gotta go ahead and fix the transmission because one of the gears are going out. So we're gonna have all this going on the road. That's the main reason why I moved the Silver Camaro back to the backyard, so we can handle all this, because I don't wanna overload myself with all this going on. So that's the main thing, man. We're trying to balance everything out so we can keep it coming, man. 'Cause I'm telling y'all, it's game time, man. It's time to go up. The time is now, man. It's our year, and we got to make it happen every minute of the day while we can. So we're about to keep getting to it and stay consistent with it, man. So we went ahead and got the back wheel off, like I was saying. I've been trying to get the axle spacer and this adapter all on there at once, but the problem is this powder coat was super thick. I have to chip a little bit off. I have to pretty much grind that whole circular part. So we got our grinder. We're about to go ahead and shave it down, put the back wheel back on there, and then hope for the best, man. So the whole thing is, once we get that back wheel on there, we're gonna bolt up this exhaust, put the back brake. That's gonna be completely done. Put the bags on. I gotta get that one wire for the gauge, swap that gauge out, put the fairing. We're gonna be good to go, and all we gotta do is start it, get the code from Harley. So we're closing in close, y'all. We getting there little by little. We gotta just keep putting this little bit of work, and then it's gonna be game time. We're dropping this off to the winner. Then we're gonna focus on the 2015 right there with the 2019 in the truck and all in one giveaway. So stay tuned for that. Y'all see what's going on, man. Hey, I ain't gonna lie to y'all. That little shit just popped it popped like the top of my eye. Oh my God, dude. We didn't overdid it. We got the glasses with the full mask, cause I ain't gonna lie to you, man. I usually call the homie BUILTBYDRE for this, but I gotta do it. And I ain't got to be the one to be getting sparks all over my face. That's out. But we got the gloves and everything else we need, so I'm about to get back to it, y'all. All right, I ain't gonna lie, we got it grinded down. We got that powder coat up off of there, nice and smooth. So let's hope for the best, try to get this thing back up on there fully together. That's one thing, I hope it works, but I got faith, so let's do it. So we finally got the back wheel all the way on there. I gotta just move the sensor up, but we got it fully on there, bolted up. I've been trying to get these pistons to push in so many different ways. So I know I have like 2-3 extra back brake calibers, the Brembo one, so I have to just go through my little storage of parts and find that. So we're gonna go ahead and do that, and then I'm gonna most likely wash this thing up today, so stay tuned for that. I'm gonna go ahead and end this video right here, but make sure I enter the win for the Silver Bullet giveaway. We got this bike paired together with our truck. Like I said, we are almost sold out, man, so get in the window while you can. We are on the last final count of days, but like I said, if y'all want me to add this 2015 to the giveaway, let me know. It's gonna have some nice rims, bars, and a wet paint on there, excuse me, and be ready to go. So understand that. It's gonna be the same entries y'all putting in right now with the keychains and the hatches that we're gonna have first and the second place. So understand that, man. We sliding, not hiding. Y'all see what's going on. And if you don't know how to get into the giveaway, you go in the description below at BuiltByDre.BigCartel and copy any one of those 4 products. It's gonna be entry into the giveaway. But yes, sir, man, we sliding, not hiding. Y'all see what's going on, man.